Well folks, welcome back. It's been about a week since our last video. Haven't had much time to get much done in the shop here. It's raining today. Yesterday I did get a lot of my tools and stuff I can show you. Moved from my old shop into the new shop here so we can start working in here. You can see I got toolboxes moved from the welders and table and stuff. Not everything, but a few things will be able to start working here. So today's project, this is our Nexen air clutch. It's not really a clutch, it's more of a connecting device, but that is what acts as a clutch. It goes up here at in front of the Profab transmission and then connects to the drive shaft that's disconnected here. So I'm going to work on getting that reinstalled. I took that out last fall and completely disassembled. I take the yoke bearings off, completely disassemble this clutch, and put some new O-rings, lubed everything up, just inspected it, make sure it's going to be functioning good for this season. So we're going to try and get that installed now. Well, got that clutch back in there. Isn't too bad. Everything's tight. Air lines are hooked up. I greased the joints that were apart. Grease everything else up when I service the rest of the machine. Let's turn the green lights on and see if it engages. I'm gonna have the key on. And flip this switch. See here, the teeth are together. So I turn them off, it should open back up. Yep. Do it one more time. Let it engage. Don't hear any air leaks or anything. I'll turn it off, you can see it up. Oh, seems to be working. Well, now that we got that project done, we'll move on to the next thing. I did have to drive up some blocks there, so you get my hoist underneath the wheels, and I made a little extension just so I could reach. It wasn't real heavy, so now I gotta do some straightening. I got these doors here that cover up the holes in the front of the buckboard for when you go down the road. That's where it hooks up to for the hitch. Sometimes we forget to open them back up before we go to hook up, and they get bent up, and or people back into them. Also got some damage here from mostly people's vehicles braking when we're going down the track, and then they stop faster than I can, and I end up rear-ending them. So a little bit of damage. We're going to take some of this stuff off and see if we can get it pounded back straight. These mud flaps too, I might try and straighten out. They've gotten bent up over the last few years of running. So that'll be the next project. got pretty much everything straightened up here. Got these bottom of these mud flaps here straightened. This one here wasn't too bad. I just pounded this corner back a little bit. This one here was pretty bad. Got it straightened out. I had to put a little paint on it. The bracket over on the bench there straightened out and got paint on that, so I'll put that on after it dries. This one here straightened out. And these doors straightened out for now. Well, trying something different with the time-lapse videos. So I think this will be it for this video. If you guys like what you see, please be sure to subscribe and like the video. Push the thumbs up button, and we'll see you in the next one.